Are you looking for a two-story home that has an open floor plan and a ton of space? Well then, this 2022 David Weekley home might just be the perfect home for you. Hey neighbors, my name is Joshua Sherman, realtor and broker here at Casey Realty Group with REMAX Trinity, and today I am at our newest listing at 9341 Loggerhead Way here in Fort Worth, Texas. This home has so much to offer, has beautiful landscaping and an adorable front porch. It also resides in the Lakes of River Trail community that offers sidewalks, alley access to the garage parking in the back, and you're like a block away from Trinity Lakes Elementary. Not to mention, you're centrally located in Fort Worth with easy access to I-30, 121 and 183, and 820. I know that you're going to love this home, so let's go take a look. If you like what you saw and you would like to take your own private showing, be sure to give me a call or shoot me a text at 817-771-9445. Or you can find more information about this home online at joshuasherman.remax.com. Until next time, bye neighbors.